Everyone tells you to plan your life, but nobody actually sits down and explains why it really matters. Does it even make a difference? Well, to prove that planning actually impacts your life and helps you progress, today I'm going to share some points that science have proven to help you get ahead. But figuring this out wasn't easy. I spent hours on reading research papers and digging through studies to get these insights. In this video, I'm giving you a 5-step checklist that proves why you should start planning today, so you can literally get up and start changing your life now. 1. Control your time. Our brain has limited capacity, working memory, and executive functioning. When you plan, you upload the information into paper or digital tools, reducing cognitive load. Techniques like time blocking and implementation intentions helps minimize real-time decision fatigue. Instead of constantly asking yourself, okay, what should I do next, you've already made the decision. This frees up mental energy and ensures you to dedicate time to what truly matters. Imagine you have 3 tasks. 1. 30 minutes of singing practice, 2. 2 hours of YouTube editing, and 3. 45 minutes of math homework. Without planning, you'll probably procrastinate. With time blocking, you schedule 4 to 4:30 p.m. singing, 5 to 7 p.m. editing with a 10-minute break, and 7:30 to 8:15 p.m. math. When the clock hits 4, you don't have to think, your plan is ready. This is great, right? But that's not all. Section 2 will show you how planning also helps reduce stress and gives you peace of mind. Section 2. Less stress, more peace of mind. Uncertainty activates the brain's stress system and increases results of stress hormones like cortisol. Planning reduces ambiguity and increases your sense of control, which has been linked to lower anxiety and better overall well-being. Knowing what to do and in what order reduces the mental noise of what if I forget or what if I'm late. That clarity lowers stress and frees up energy for actual work. For example, suppose you have an exam tomorrow. If you haven't planned, your mind is restless and panicked. But if you make a simple plan like today 45 minutes of reviewing chapter 1, 30 minutes solving exercises, your brain feels reassured and stress goes down. And that's super useful. But section 3 is where I improve your productivity really skyrockets. 3. Higher productivity. Chunking. Breaking big tasks into smaller pieces improves memory and focus. Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. If you give yourself unlimited time, tasks stress endlessly. But if you limit time, efficiency increases. Smaller and clearly defined tasks are less overwhelming and easier to start. Clear deadlines prevent procrastination and boost focus. This is cool, right? But in section 4, I'm gonna show you and prove you how planning helps you reach your big goals. 4. Moving closer to big goals. Goal-setting research shows that specific, measurable, achievable, reviewable, and time-bound goals lead to higher performance. Implemented intentions again prove powerful. Stating, if it's Friday at 6 p.m. then I review my weekly goals drastically increases follow-through. Without planning, big goals like becoming a professional singer remains vague and abstract. Planning translates them into concrete and daily actions. And that's huge, but here's the best part. Section 5 is where momentum and motivation come in. This is where planning actually makes you feel unstoppable. 5. A stronger sense of progress and motivation. Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished tasks stay in our minds and pushing us to complete them. Goal gradient effect. Motivation increases as we get closer to the goal. Self-determination theory. Motivation is strongest when people feel competent and autonomous. Planning allows you to check off small wins, which fuels a feedback loop of motivation and confidence. See how each step builds on the last? And all of this proves why you must start planning today. But everything I just shared were just reasons that why you should start planning. If you want to learn how to plan properly, step by step from 0 to 10, check out my next video. I've linked in the description and pinned in the comments for you.